You did? Do I need to do anything special? I've always been doing that. My eyes are closed. Now what? You know, you're right. I do feel a lot better not knowing how high up I am. But I won't be able to admire the scenery this way. My heart is a lot calmer now, right? And now you should know why it was beating so fast. It's really pretty. Do you want to make a wish? Though, making a wish when you see fireworks isn't the same as making a wish when you see a shooting star. But wishes are meant to be shared with the people you want to realize them with. The night sky constantly changes. It's weird how people always use an ever-changing sky as their witness for unchanging vows. Yet, broken vows are nothing more than lies. Satisfaction in the present becomes a future pain. Then you're not allowed to change your mind even after 100 years or 1,000. Because the wish I made goes beyond just this. I wasn't thinking we had a deal. What I was really thinking was, it begins.